we have invited our grandson OG. Go ma'am, sino po ang mauuna?
From the
Parehas po kasi
Chile.
sila mag-describe.
Hi everyone, my name is Chile.
I'm Venus. I'm a physical therapist. Yung journey
Dito na
namin.
kami, pareho
Dito na kami. Pareho na kami.
Nakakatuwa naman po, no ma'am? So, ask ko lang din po, ma'am, no, during your career path here in the Philippines. So, for kay Miss Chile, siya is nag-start from BPO. Tama po, 'di ba, ma'am? From BPO, then kay ma'am,
Nag-BPO at the
mm,
same time, nag-volunteer din sa
ayan,
mga
nag-volunteer
hospitals.
din.
So,
Mm.
yung attachment mo sa profession is still
Nandun
there.
pa din.
Yes.
Nandun pa rin talaga. So, I don't even, siguro naman walang majority siguro kahit
Apo.
at that time walang hiring deep in our hearts.
Mm.
You still have this, like
Motivation
aim
to
na,
continue your career.
Yeah.
motivated ka pa rin. The fact that you went for volunteer job or, just affiliate therapist somewhere, you still have the drive to be that kind of
Mhm.
professional
Yeah.
siguro.
Ayan. So, nakakatuwa, no, ma'am. So, at the same time, I can see both of you that you are both volunteers before you migrate to the US, no, as a
Yeah.
physical therapist.
Uh-huh.
And
Mm.
what motivated both of you, ma'am, to pursue your career in the US? So, uunahin ko naman, ma'am, si Miss Venus. Kasi kanina pa natin na si Ma'am Chile. Ayan.
So,
Si Miss Venus naman, ma'am.
so yun nga, nag-motivate ko talaga is for my family. Kasi, malaki na yung mga anak ko. Tapos, para ma-provide ko din yung, mabigyan ko ng magandang buhay, ma-provide ko yung good education, yung sa family ko.
Mhm.
Tapos sabi ko, sayang naman yung profession ko kung hindi ko siya gagamitin. Tapos alam ko na kung magpunta ako sa US, is marami talagang mag-hire sa akin, marami talagang opportunity for me. So yun, ano siguro like, yun, timing lang siguro na yung need ko at saka yung opportunity na nag-open din si Grandison is parang nag-connect siya. So parang perfect timing lahat na yun na kasi ano din natakot na din ako kasi naano din ako kasi dahil desperado na ako, my God, punta talaga ako sa US. Tapos may
Opo.
naano na ako na agency before. Tapos parang naano yata ako na na hindi pala siya so palag nagbigay ako ng pera or something. Tapos
Oh.
yeah, tapos yun, oh my God, na-feel ko like buti na lang hindi na masyadong lumaki na parang hindi siya totoo. So yun,
Mm.
parang nawalan akong gana and din na ano ko. So, yun, yung family talaga is para mabigyan ko sila ng
Better future, right?
yes.
Thank you so much,
Mhm.
Miss Venus, no? So, nakakatuwa kasi one of our motivation talaga when it comes to go to the United States is the sake for our family,
Yeah.
no? So, for Miss Chile, thank you po, Miss Venus. Ayan. So, si Miss Chile, ma'am. Kayo, ma'am, ano nag-motivate sa inyo to pursue your career naman po in the US as a
Mm.
PT?
Yeah, so it's the same thing with Venus. It's still family. So I lost my dad like I was 18 years old.
Mhm.
So there was three of us in three siblings. So I'm the second child. So from my brother, me, and my sister, it was my mom who sent us to college. And by the time I was applying for as a physical therapist here, so my sister was in med school. So that was my motivation that I want to help my mom, just realize
Mhm.
whatever their dream for us. And then I think I would be able to like help the family. I would be able to help my family better if nandito ako. So that was basically, and then we grew up na yung mom ko palagi ang nag-provide for us. So, as a daughter, as a child, you also want to give back. And I believe I could give back more to my family and to my, relatives and others if andito ako. So, yun.
Mm. So, nakakatuwa, ma'am, no? So, talaga ang motivation for you both is family. So feeling ko
Mhm.
ma'am, pinagtagpo kayo talaga ni Nurse Chile, ay si Miss Venus po 'no, and Miss Chile 'no, na maging friends talaga kayo. Same motivation and at the same time to apply going to the US 'no.
Yeah.
So what a journey for both of you sa ating mga OGs. So at the same time ma'am 'no, since we are starting to have this kamustahan as a PT and how are you there in the US? So how does it feel and how was the journey for being the first PTs to be deployed in the US and up to now na you've been there in the US for like almost 15 years and at the same time being able to still connect with Grandison no even though na kayo is directly na nagwo-work sa mga facility po na pinagtatrabahuhan nyo or kung saan po kayo na deploy. Ayan. So si Miss
Chile.
Chile po ulit.
Ako na.
Ayan. Sige
Okay.
ma'am. Go ma'am.
Okay. So, I think, ma'am, I could say because yung pag-start kasi namin, the reason why we were doing it and the challenges and the things that we experienced during the preparation and our early years with Grandison,
Mhm.
we went through so much. Like we went through a lot of challenges, and the 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 thing that I can really proudly say that Grandison from the start, they were there, they're accessible. Sir John, you can reach out to him
Yeah.
anytime, text, email, Facebook, whatever. So yung accessibility nila and toward their scholars is very good. And then so parang they have become part of our journey. So
Mhm.
kaya it was not difficult for us to, like, nung dumating kami, we always communicate, we always go
Yeah.
back to them because they are our support group. So sila talaga yung mga nandyan. So for me, I vowed when I left the Philippines, I will never forget the people that have supported me,
Yeah.
and sila yun.
Yes.
They are the core
Yes.
people na talagang nandun and nagsusupport. So I think that's why we still have this relationship with
Yes.
them after all these years. So most of us probably just journeyed in gratitude, siguro. And then,
Mhm.
we are Filipinos. We never like really forget yung mga napagdaanan. So,
Yeah.
yun.
Ayan.
Kaya we are still connected.
Ayan. So nakakatuwa naman no Ma'am Chile kasi kayo as a PT and as the OGs is you don't forget Grandison because Grandison was there from the start no of your
Yeah.
journey.
Even
Yeah.
now,
So,
we will never,
Yeah, we will never
opo.
forget
we will
Grandison and
never,
Sir Don and
never.
everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
True. So for Miss Venus, kayo ma'am, kamusta naman ang iyong journey and at the same time the challenges you encountered during your starting your journey in the United States and until now that you are almost 15 years na po nasa US.
So katulad ng sinabi ni Chile, yung journey talaga papunta dito is not easy. So dapat talaga like like kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung talaga yung vision mo sa buhay. Tapos yung Grandison is there all the way. As in, my God, parang sabi ni Chile, like, makakall mo, matitext mo, maiyakan
Yeah.
mo. Kahit anong gawin mo ni Sir Jan, parang naano na Sir Jan yan, iyak-iyak ako sa harap niya. Like every time. Si Jan, kasi tigas din ang ulo ko minsan. Pero never talaga silang nag-give up sa akin. Sila Miss Myra, ang dali lang talaga silang ma-contact, lahat ng problema,
Mhm.
lahat ng they're always there every step of the way. So kaya nga nandito na kami, nung nagpunta kami dito, lagi ko na yung sinasabi din ni Sir John na every time kami like magkikita or something kami ni Chile, is never ko talaga silang makalimutan. Kasi, like, sila lang talaga yung like, naging patient sa akin, yung nag-open
Mhm.
talaga ng door sa akin para
Mhm.
ma-achieve ko yung yung dream ko to be a PT here sa US. So, like, never ko talaga silang, like, na yung gratitude ko at saka yung sa Grandison at saka sa hindi talaga siya malilimutan.
And
Ayan.
if
So
I may just,
nakakatu
sorry,
sige
if
po
I may
ma'am,
just
go ma'am.
add then a little bit, just piggyback with what Vino said. So we're talking about while we were in the Philippines. So when
Yes.
talking about while we were already here. So syempre all the more challenges, like we had to adjust to the environment, to the workplace, and most of us were really not like, there's no nursing homes in the Philippines.
Mm.
But the staff here in Grandison office mismo, they're also very accessible. Just
Yeah.
email them whatever we want. And they are very responsive to whatever. They reply to your email the same day,
Yeah.
maybe the same hour.
Yeah.
So that's something that I really can like attest to.
Yeah.
Like, what I don't know if may ibang agency na mag-e-email sa'yo, "Hey Chile, your license will expire in a
Yeah.
month. Make sure you renew your license." Your ano pa ba? Kasi pag mag-work ka sa mga facilities, yung
Mm.
mga facilities kasi
Opo.
may mga ano yun eh, mga mandatory what you call this, mandatory
Requirements to ano.
Requirements.
requirements. So, before mo pa ma-check yung deadline mo, may from Grandison staff na nagre-remind sa'yo, Sheila, your mandatories for this year are
Yeah.
expiring. Make sure yung very simple reminder na yun
Yeah.
makes you feel like a very important part of the
Part.
Mhm.
organization.
Yeah.
Na parang who would remind you that your license is
Yes.
Yeah.
expiring? Who
Yeah.
would remind you that your passport needs to be
It's
renewed?
renewed. Yeah.
So they're very on top of those things as well. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. To add to
So
Chiles, sorry. To add to
go ma'am,
Chiles
no
too.
problem.
Like, yeah, they're very, really good at it. Like, yun sinabi nila, like, you get an email every day. So, I always check. Kasi parang minsan busy ka na, hindi mo na ano na kailangan ng renew. Tapos yung, like, from documentations itself, like, from our visas, they always like, oh, you have this, you have to do this, pass this, and everything. They're always there. Like, hindi na ikaw yung magko-contact na, ano bang nangyari sa, ano ko, like, yung processing and everything sila lahat, they're on top of it. Like, ano talaga sila, like, ewan, ano bang term yun na parang hindi ka talaga iiwanan until
Mhm.
na
Yeah.
steady ka na and ano ka na yung status mo dito sa US. Like, nandun sila kung ano yung promise nila, kung ano yung sinabi nila, it's really true. Like, nandyan talaga sila from the day you left and then dumating until you're done. Everything nandun
Yeah.
sila.
Mhm.
Yeah, tapos
Ayan.
tapos yung email kahit ano, mag-email ka kung anong kailangan mo and everything, talagang tutulungan ka talaga.